It is partially correct, and let me explain a little bit more about it. Infertility has many different causes, and I mentioned that this is the most common one. Of course, we have to take into account that infertility might be because of male problems, which we almost never think of that. I don't know why, but taking those conditions aside, if we talk about female infertility, we divide those into different categories, but these ones are called ovulation problems. So that means they are not able to have children because an egg it's never released. So why is the egg is never released? In this case, with polycystic ovarian syndrome, there's so much, the concentration of male hormones, it's so high that the follicle, which is the immature egg, never develops as a mature egg, so it's never released. So when we give birth control pills that have female hormones, we block the signal from the brain to keep producing hormones, because, like I was telling before, the body thinks that if they're already receiving those hormones from the pill, why take the time, or why do it? Why still producing it? So they just stop producing hormones. So of course, now your menstrual cycle, it's gonna be regulated by these hormones that you're taking in the form of a pill. So you will regulate the whole process again. So those immature follicles with the pills are gonna be able to develop into mature follicles and then ultimately into eggs. Of course, if you keep taking the birth control, those eggs are never gonna produce children. But if after taking them for a while, you stop taking them, some of those eggs might be released and be able to get pregnant. That's how we do it. In this condition, of course. This is not going to work for any other conditions, basically for this one.